Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arman bin Samirin, matrix number 07DTK33F1027. Today, I will explain how to use a multimeter and how to measure a DC voltage with my partner.
Hello, my name is Unka Kilaras. I'm from DTK 1B. My matrix number 07DTK23F1025.
Multimeter comes in with the various version. They are the digital multimeter and they are also the analog multimeter. And today I will be using an analog multimeter. Multimeter usually come with a probe. For example, they are the separated one. They are also the probe that has been connected to the multimeter. So today I will be using this. Now I will show you how to measure voltage using a 9 voltage battery. First, you have to turn on the multimeter and go to the DCV. First, you need to start with a high scaling so that the multimeter will not broke. Now, place the positive probe to the positive side to the battery and negative probe to the negative side of the battery. As you can see, there are no number are showing. So we have to go for the lower scale. Now I can get some response, but the value is too small, so it is hard to read. Let's go lower. Now it is getting bigger, but we need a more accurate number. So let's go lower. Now I have a very accurate reading, and I will use this as the result for the battery. But be careful not to go for the lower scaling, because if you go for the lower scaling, you will get an invalid value.
Multimeter safety precaution. Never apply power to the circuit while measuring resistance with a multimeter. Connect the multimeter in series with the circuit for current measurement and in parallel for voltage measurements. Be certain the multimeter is switched to AC before attempting to measure AC circuits.